Hello, garden friends. Ken Lane here, the mountain gardener from Waters Garden Center. As August's heat fades away and we welcome the pleasant calm of autumn, our gardens are getting a second chance to shine. Albert Camus once said, "Autumn is a second spring when every leaf is a flower." And here in the mountains, that rings especially true. September is a key transition month, and what you do now will ensure the health of your garden next spring and make your maintenance list shorter later. Today, I want to walk you through the 5 essential steps to a brighter fall garden. Step 1, fall planting. Autumn is a perfect time to plant. The warm days and cool nights create an ideal environment for roots to grow and establish. We have a fantastic selection of trees like maple and aspen for shade, as well as evergreen spruce and pine. It is also the ideal time to plant ornamental grasses, such as pampas grass. Don't forget your vegetables. As the days cool, you can sow seeds for cool season crops like kale, lettuce, arugula, mustard greens, and spinach. You will also find that beets, radish, broccoli, and cabbage can be sown from seed as well. Step 2, harvest and clear space. This is one of the most rewarding times for vegetable growers. While some summer plants are fading, others like tomatoes and squash are just getting started. Keep an eye out because you will be harvesting cucumbers, broccoli, carrots, and cabbages almost daily. As you harvest, be sure to clean up. Bare ground can invite more weeds and pests next spring. Remove old flowers and spent brown leaves from your plants. Then cover any bare patches with a 2 to 3 inch layer of Waters Premium mulch, a cover crop, or even some new fall plantings to keep the soil protected. Step 3, prepare mulch and compost. If you do not have a compost pile yet, autumn is the perfect time to start one. Just add organic materials like rotted vegetables, plant scraps, and leaves. This compost gold will be ready to invigorate your garden beds by spring. Adding a 3 inch layer of composted mulch over the roots of your new trees and shrubs like Colorado spruce or blaze maple will lead to impressive growth next year. Step 4, weed and deadhead weeds are most prolific in September. Do not let them go to seed, or you will have a lot more work to do next spring. Stay on top of them now. If you have a particularly weedy area, I highly recommend a generous application of Waters Weed and Grass Stopper. The strongest over-the-counter weed killer is Decimate, which is a great replacement for Roundup as it works faster and without cancer-causing side effects. This is also the time to deadhead your flowers. Pinching off dried flowers from plants like mums, asters, and marigolds encourages new, healthy growth and keeps them producing blossoms right through autumn. Step 5, tree and shrub maintenance. This is a critical time for trees and shrubs, especially at the root level. Give them a deep soak once a week. And remember, the single most important task is to feed everything in your yard before Halloween. Fall plants are storing up food for the winter, much like a bear. Encourage better autumn growth and a hardier hibernation by feeding everything with Waters 7-4-4, all-purpose plant food. Following these 5 simple steps will help you create a beautiful and healthy garden that will truly shine this fall. Remember, we are here to help you grow. You can always visit us at Waters Garden Center on Iron Springs Road in Prescott, or find more tips and tricks at watersgardencenter.com. Happy gardening.